Hello everyone, this is Ritesh and you are watching Dancing with Data. Here is my website where you can find my content in an organized way. I have placed a lot of content as free, so grab now before it's too late. And if you're watching this before 14th of November, you are eligible to grab Tableau Desktop Specialist Certification course at Rs 499 only. Use code DATA50 to avail that. First of all, I'm excited to share that finally I've got top data analytics voice badge from LinkedIn. And if you wonder what it is, how did anyone get this, how this is different from the blue top voice badge, and once you get it, what you do to retain it, for how long it will be with you, all the popular questions I'm going to answer in this session. Okay, let's go back to my profile and let's click on the badge itself, and it says that people on LinkedIn find Ritesh a noteworthy contributor to collaborative articles in the following skills. So that means I am contributing on collaborative articles. But that is what I'm doing now. But then how did I get the opportunity to contribute in the collaborative articles? So we do have learn more option over there. So let us learn more to give you more insight. So this is the official documentation of LinkedIn where you can see them talking about two versions of badge, or say top voices badge. So the first one is the LinkedIn top voices. So I showed you the Cassie profile blue badge, and the other one is the community top voices program badge, the one with the golden badge, mine one. So the community top voices program this is the new program, while the LinkedIn top voices was previously known as influencer program prior to October 22. So you can say in a way blue is superior than golden batch. Keep that in your mind. So the one with Cassie is the superior one, and this is the invitation only program. It's not like a collaborative article contribution program. That's different. So this program is an invitation only program featuring a global group of experts on LinkedIn covering range of topics. So you can compare this blue badge with something like in the YouTube you have that tick mark, right? That recognize the celebrities, the actors, the sportsmen. So this is tougher to get, to be very frank. Now let's talk about the golden badge, the community top voices, the one with me. And if you notice that it talks about the community, data analytics community, data visualization community, leadership community. Whereas with the blue badge, you will not see any community over there. It's just top voices, blue badge. So community top voices are noteworthy contributors who show expertise in a specific skill, as I said, data analytics, data visualization, so forth and so on. And if you have expertise in multiple skill set, that means you can have multiple badges as well. One, two, three, four, five. I have seen even 9 into badges. You can see LinkedIn description, not description but the title. A lot of people are having a lot of badges, but only one will display, and the one will display where you have the maximum expertise or where you are gaining more points. So in community top voices you have to contribute in the collaborative articles. One thing which is not mentioned over here, or I'm not able to find it properly, that here as well you get an invitation to contribute in the collaborative article section. I will give you my example. So first of all, you in any case, right, in any case you have to be a contributor already as far as LinkedIn is concerned. So you are sharing your ideas, you are sharing your blogs, you are sharing your expertise, or say technical expertise. There can be different platform. You can have a YouTube channel, or you have your own website, so forth and so on. But then you are sharing that with the LinkedIn post, right? So that's important. Now, this is the place where people might confuse, so just see my invitation. So here you can clearly see that I got an invitation from the head of community North America. Hi Ritesh, you have been selected as a part of an exciting new way to share what you know, collaborative articles. Not only you will be helping others learn, contributors will also have the potential to earn a new community top voices badge when their contribution reach top contributor status, showing the value of your insightful expertise. Remember, this is the first step, right? From here you will start, at least for me, right? I'm not sure if you'll be able to do this before, because you need to have access to share or collaborate. After that, at the bottom, you can see that they have given you a couple of articles over there. So if I click on this article, so you can see it takes me to an article. And now here you can see I have the option to contribute, start a contribution, add your perspective. So basically whatever collaborative articles that you see over there, these are all AI generated. You can see on the left hand side, powered by AI and the LinkedIn community. So you have to give your perspective, right? So definitely You should search for those areas where you already have good expertise, right? You have some experience, so that you can add your perspective. And I think the best way is to follow the one that they are guiding. Start a contribution, like some ways to get started. One time at work, in my experience, one thing I have found helpful. So I used to write like you know, this is like a story form only, right? I can give you one of my example. Like what are some examples of data-driven innovation in strategic planning? So you can see I have been already identified as top experts in this article, right? So there are many contributors over there. So if you are identified as a top contributor, so that can be in the form of recognition, like people are liking you or reacting to what you have put. That should be original, right? And that should be coming from your past experience, right? So try to put something that is coming from your experience. It should not be like what what AI has already generated, right? So you don't have to do like this. When I'm talking about this very particular topic, I'm talking about my own experience when I was working in an HR attrition dashboard, right? So I'm talking about my own experience, and that helps you to score more, I guess. So from the time when you get the invitation and when you start contributing to this community, the community of collaborative article, it depends, right? For me, it took me 4 days to get this badge. One of my friend, he told me that it took him 3 days, and it will take a few days, right? But I have seen some of the articles where they are talking about 2 weeks and a month as well, and some are still waiting. So it depends upon the quality of your article, I suppose. Remember that this is not going to be with you forever. It's for 60 days, and they can remove it at any point of time if you are not following the rules and regulation of the professional community policies. It should not be copied. It should not be inappropriate, irrelevant, or unoriginal. That be original. That's the key. At the end, I would only wish you all the best. Keep on contributing to this wonderful platform, and you never know the day when you get the invitation to become data analytics top voice, or like Casey, you become a blue badge holder. You just never know. So all the relevant articles will be there at the description. So check it out. If you have any further question, you are most welcome to put your thought at the comment section, and I will come back and I'll try to reply to your queries over there. I hope that I've covered everything, the difference between the two, and how I got the badge. So I hope that I have covered everything over here. And I see you again. Till then, keep on dancing with data, क्योंकि data ही दाता है क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है.